Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying iOS 18. For an available space, this avoids update conflicts. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud backup so you can restore if needed. Next, open Settings and allow keyboard installations. This grants the app the access it needs to add custom emoji. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Downloads fail on spotty networks. These checks shorten troubleshooting and prepare your device for the Genmoji installation process. Download Genmoji from the App Store and open it immediately to begin setup. When prompted, grant keyboard and photos permissions. The keyboard permission lets you paste stickers, and photos allows avatar exports. Create or import your avatar, adjusting facial features for better expression tracking. Once you finish customization, add the Genmoji keyboard in settings right arrow general right arrow keyboard right arrow keyboards right arrow add new keyboard. Finally, enable full access if you want cloud sync and extra sticker pack. Switch to the Genmoji keyboard in Messages, tap an emoji, and send a test to confirm animation and sizing. If animations stutter, toggle reduce motion or check app updates. Performance tweaks matter. Make sure full access is enabled only if you accept cloud features. If the keyboard doesn't appear, force quit settings, restart the phone, and reinstall Genmoji. This clears permission caches. If problems persist, restore from the backup you made earlier and retry the installation steps to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.